Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix talkback problem on lava phone. Friends, you want to fix talkback problem on your lava phone. So how to fix talkback problem today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you are not operating your phone. First you have this setting. So now how to fix talkback problem. First friends, your phone screen is locked. So now how to unlock phone screen. Friends, you cannot scroll your screen with one finger. Use your two finger and swipe. And friends, you have any pattern lock. So you will have to press your pattern and friends enter your pin. So friends, now we will double tap you. Friends, use your two finger and swipe. Because with one finger guys you cannot swipe here. So friends, scroll with your two finger and friends setting icon. One tap here. Two tap friends, continue to fix talkback. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your lava phone device. How to fix talkback. Friends, again use your two finger and scroll it. Friends, click on accessibility settings. So where is accessibility setting friends on lava phone? So friends, you can find accessibility on your assistant setting. This intelligent assistant setting friends, one tap here, double tap here, and friends again scroll. Friends, click on accessibility, one tap and double tap here. Friends, click on talkback and double tap here. Friends, click on use talkback button here, double tap here. Friends, one tap here and double tap to fix talkback problem. Friends, your talkback problem will fix on your device, and friends now you can use guys your phone without any talkback. So I hope friends you understood how to fix talkback problem on lava phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. And friends, now you have any doubts, so friends you can ask me in comment section friends. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.